The Authentise platform gives you total operational oversight within the Gantt chart, a great way to visualize all of your printings and post-processing runs in a timetable format. On the left side you'll find a list of all of the machines in your inventory. If they're directly connected to Authentise via Echo, hovering on the circle of each machine will show you the live status of that machine. Clicking on the machine names will take you to that specific machine's page. The top of the Gantt chart shows the date and time. You can zoom in and out by using your mouse or touchpad. You can also click and drag the main area of the Gantt chart to move left or right in the past or future. The main area of the Gantt is populated by bars which represent the runs that are assigned to each machine. Hovering over a bar will give you details of the run and the direct link to the Traveler QR code. Every run step is color-coded to reflect its status. The colors of the runs in the Gantt chart are shown in the table. An orange outline of the bar will indicate that the run is locked. Finally, the blue button at the top right of the page acts as a refresh button for the Gantt chart. By clicking it, a recalculation of the whole schedule occurs based on runs that have been added, removed, or edited. The Gantt chart will also refresh after 15 minutes of inactivity. If you want to visualize all of your orders, you can check the production Gantt. Hovering over the colored circles on the left will indicate whether the order is scheduled into runs, completed a printing run, or running in manufacturing. Clicking on a specific order from the chart will bring you to the order page where you can check all of the other details. And finally, the WIP matrix helps you visualize at which step all of your orders are. The colored circles next to the order's name indicate the level of priority of that order. The matrix shows which steps have been completed and which ones are to do, as well as whether the order is in printing, post-processing, non-conformance review, or shipping. You can sort the matrix by priority, by due date, by order creation date, or by name. Stay tuned for upcoming videos detailing Authentise's platform features.